Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is individuality illusory? Throughout the whole of the world, all the human beings are feeling inwardly insecure. Why do we feel inward insecurity? Because all we want peace. We want to lead a peaceful life, both outwardly and inwardly. That's why we have created so many religions. By creating so many religions, we wish to have a peaceful society. We have created so many gods so that at the end of the day we will get peace. We are running after so many gurus. For what? It shows that at present we don't have any peace at all. That's why we are running after so many gurus. We hope that at the end of our life we will get peace. All the gurus will offer peace unto us even after death, or we want to go to heaven. Nobody want to go to hell. These are all facts. All the human beings living on the earth want to lead a successful life. They want to be rich. They don't want to have any problems at all. Almost all the human beings, they behave in the same pattern. Outwardly, here and there may be some differences due to geographical differences. But inwardly, we want the same thing. Even then, if we observe our outward life, our lives will be in conflicts because we want to our individual happiness. We are always confined to our individual pleasure seeking. Hence, we are too much self-centered. When we are too much self-centered, it will lead to fighting. Lastly, it will lead to violence. All these things are we are witnessing. These are all facts. Even though our aspirations are same, outwardly we have a society where all the conflicts are existing. Hence, we find wars are happening. People are not at peace. But the ultimate aim of a human being is to have peace. Then why peace is eluding us? We are the reason for that. Outwardly, it seems that we have individual existences, but inwardly, we share the same consciousness. Even though we belong to the same reality, we have been taught that we are all separate individuals. That's why we go in different directions to seek peace. Hence, there are so many conflicts. Then, how to avoid the conflicts? How to avoid the problems? The reality is that we belong to the same consciousness. If we observe very closely, inwardly, we share the same things. Even our hands are extended up to the sun, because without sun we can't live here. The whole existence is connected together. We depend upon others to survive. That means we need all. We can't live an isolated life. These are all facts. That's why the reality is same. Hence, the individual existence is only illusory. Real spirituality stands for the oneness of life. To understand this, an awakened mind is needed. An awakened mind means intelligent mind. The intelligent mind directly sees the fact. Since we miss the facts. We are in conflicts. We don't want to treat the other human beings in a dignified way. Why? For we are thinking that the other human beings completely separated from our own. Hence we are faced with conflicts. Hence we have created so many divisions. To go beyond all these kind of divisions and conflicts, we must be in one reality. The one reality is the one existence, one consciousness, one aspiration, one word, one reality. Hence, we will be able to go beyond all dualities. The reality belongs to the non-dual aspect of life. Spirituality stands for the non-dual reality. This is what the real meditation is. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.